Do you think energy bills here in Scotland are too high?
Yes, we're a strong energy producer, so we should get a fairer share.
Xander on the street. Okay, we're here in Dundee talking about how regional pricing would make everyone's energy bills cheaper, finding out a bit about what people think of energy prices here in Dundee. Can I ask a question about energy bills?
Energy bills?
Energy bills. I was just wondering if you think they're too high.
Oh, definitely. Yep. Far too high.
Do you think energy bills here in Scotland are too high?
Yes.
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 Definitely.
Yes. We're paying one of the highest energy bills in the whole of Europe.
I don't think the prices are fair.
We're in Dundee, and there's a dragon.
Don't look so cold.
It's cold. It is cold here. It's objectively cold here. How dare you ask me not to look cold? It's freezing. A lot of people kind of don't want to be filmed, but when I ask them if they want to answer a question about energy bills, they all say they're too high when they walk away. Hey mate, can I ask you a question about your energy bills, please? Do you have a minute for a question about energy bills? Do you think that in places like Dundee, where they make a lot of cheap renewable energy, they should get cheaper energy bills?
I guess it depends on the provider, because obviously there are some providers which are not renewable. But if you go for a renewable energy provider, then yes, I think it should be cheaper, especially as an incentive to move towards greener energy rather than relying on fossil fuels.
Do you think the price should go down when there's a lot of renewable energy generation?
I think it should, yeah. I mean, it makes sense.
Yes, if there's definitely more being made, then it should be cheaper.
If we're generating it here, we should get the benefit.
There's enough energy to go around. People should not be living cold in houses and frightened to use tumble dryers and things like that in this day and age.
So, do you mind if we film this? Just thanks so much. Yeah, no, filming us? Never. So here in Scotland they make a lot of renewable energy, and we think they should be rewarded for that by getting cheaper energy bills when there is a ton of renewable energy to go around. Currently we end up wasting a lot of the renewable energy that we're paying to make because we switch off wind turbines when the grid fills up. It's a shame. Do you think that it would be a fairer system to charge each sort of zone of the UK for the cost of their energy that it costs to produce?
Yes, definitely. I think in other countries there are systems like that where it is area dependent. So I don't see why that shouldn't be the case here, especially because we are making more renewable energy and it just doesn't seem fair.
Would you prefer it if energy was cheaper when a lot of it's going to waste?
Yeah. Especially when they're turning off turbines and stuff like that. It seems crazy.
You know, that seems ridiculous that we're actually paying companies to shut down the supply, you know, when it's far too windy. Yes, it doesn't make any sense whatsoever.
Do you think that if there is too much energy going around and energy is going to waste, then it should be made cheaper?
Yeah, well definitely. People are just wanting to put their heating on. A lot of people can't afford to put their heating on. A lot of people, like my parents, we stopped using our tumble dryer because it's too expensive energy-wise. So I think more energy would be used if it was cheaper.
I mean, I've heard this about wind farms and so on, how they shut them off. And it seems, I don't understand why they do it. You know, it just seems a waste.
So you think that when there's energy going to waste, especially wind energy, you should be able to get cheaper bills?
Yes, I think so.
It's a cool statue. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. So we're from Octopus Energy, and we're campaigning for a change to the way energy is priced that would make it locational instead of one price for everyone. And by doing that, we'd be able to make much more efficient use of the renewable energy that we have. So when we're making a ton of green energy, we would be able to make it cheaper for the people that live near the wind turbines, so we wouldn't have to spend billions of pounds switching wind turbines off, which we have to do all the time.
That's exactly right, so I hope you do that.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Locational pricing is a good thing, according to Scots.